Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are sure to capture your attention. On the left, we have the PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH, and on the right, we have the G-Pop dash cam. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, price. The PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH comes in at $189, while the G-Pop dashcam is a steal at just $99. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good deal. Looks like the G-Pop has the upper hand here. Alright, let's talk about video quality. The PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution with a 150-degree super wide-angle lens. On the other hand, the G-Pop dashcam takes it up a notch with a real 4K+1080P dual camera setup. That's right, folks, we're talking crystal clear footage that can capture even the tiniest details. G-Pop takes the lead in the video quality department. Now let's dive into the features that these dashcams have to offer. The PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to precisely track your location, speed, and routes in real time. It also has quality night vision and an all-weather monitor, ensuring that you're protected around the clock. On the other hand, the G-Pop dashcam offers Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to easily access and share your footage on the go. It even has an optional inside-side rear camera for added versatility. It's a tough call, but I'd say G-Pop takes the cake in the features department. Safety first, right? Both dashcams come with accident lock features, ensuring that crucial footage is never overwritten. They also have loop recording to keep the memory card from getting full. But here's where things get interesting. The PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH has a 4-channel setup, recording the front, sides, and inside of your vehicle simultaneously. It's like having eyes all around you. The G-Pop dashcam, on the other hand, has a 24/7 parking monitor and time-lapse recording. Perfect for keeping an eye on your car, even when you're not around. Safety-wise, it's a tie. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH and the G-Pop dashcam in various categories. While the PRUVEEO offers incredible video quality and an all-around view of your vehicle, the G-Pop comes in at a more affordable price and offers some nifty features like Wi-Fi and phone app control. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Whichever dashcam you choose, remember to drive safe and smart. Thanks for joining us on this dashcam showdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product comparisons. And as always, stay tuned to Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence. See you next time.